actually like that.
Do you ever used to practice that before?
Yeah, and I hit my head so many times.
Wow. There's the cinnamon.
Wow, kaya ako pala nanalo, Marlo.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Galing.
Actually po, the recipe po that we used to, to entry, banana. So,
Oh.
not saba. So, any kinds of banana, except from saba po. Sobrang hirap. So, we did a 3 months practice po. Every night and day.
Bakit? What's wrong with saba?
Because the saba po, ginagamit po for banana cue. So, it's a very typical na masarap na siya from saba. So, we use lakatan. Yung iba po, senyorita, mga latula.
Oh.
This one po can give small fire na lang na control.
Wow.
Alright. So it's almost done.
This one will never be able to do.
Yeah, me too.
Neil.